All right, folks, welcome back to 101 Tailored Tax Tips. This is tip number 30. Understand how to use refundable tax credits to reduce your taxes. So, refundable tax credits, like non-refundable tax credit, allow you to reduce your taxes dollar for dollar up to the full amount of the credit. So for example, using the child tax credit again, this allows you to reduce your taxes by up to $2,000. The difference here though is if the amount of the tax credit is greater than the amount of the taxes you owe, you actually still receive the funds. So for example, if you reduce your taxes to zero and you're due a tax credit of $2,000, then you get a $2,000 tax refund. And I promised in an earlier video that I would share with you some examples of tax credits. So I want to do that in this video. And I want to break it into three examples of tax credits for individuals and then three examples of tax credits for businesses. So let's start off with the examples of tax credits available to individual taxpayers. And the key here is we need to spend time understanding the things that are in the tax code that are incentives for us and also help us to reduce taxes. So here are three examples. The first one is the plug-in electric vehicle credit. So you can get a tax credit of up to $7,500 when you purchase a qualified plug-in electric vehicle. Second example for individuals is the alternative fuel vehicle credit. You can get a tax credit for up to $8,000 when you purchase a car that uses qualified alternative fuels like natural gas or hydrogen. And the third example for individuals is the credit for qualified retirement savings contributions. So for this particular credit, you can get a credit of up to $2,000 or $4,000 for making contributions to a 401k or IRA. So what determines the amount? So the amount of the credit is 50% of the amount that you have contributed, and also based on your tax filing status. So for individual tax filers, the amount is up to $2,000, so 50% of what you've contributed. So that implies you have to contribute at least a minimum of $4,000 to get to $2,000. And for folks who are married filing jointly, then the credit can be up to $4,000, and it has to be 50% of what you've contributed. So you need to contribute at least $8,000. And then let's look at the credits then for businesses. So there are three of those, right? So three I want to share with you. So the first one is the research and development tax credit. And this is a credit that allows your business to get up to 100% of the cost of conducting qualified research activities. And some of this is dedicated to research, but some of this is dedicated to development. And you might be pleasantly surprised to know that there's a pretty broad scope of things that you can do to get this credit. The scope of this video is relatively small, so I'm not going to go into those details, but if you're interested in learning more, drop me a comment and let me know. The second example for business credit is the new markets tax credit. And this credit can get you up to 39% of what you've invested to enter into a designated low income market. Okay, and this might be a market this could be a market that serves like certain communities, low income communities. The third and final example I want to share with you here is called the work opportunity tax credit. And this credit allows you to get up to $9,600 per employee per year for employing certain designated groups of people. So the groups could be veterans or folks with disabilities. All right, y'all. So if this video has been useful, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you think this video will benefit someone else, please share the video. And if you would like to be made aware of when I'll be releasing the next video in this series or other videos on my channel, please click on the notification bell. And then here comes my disclaimer. I share these tax tips based on my education, my experience, and my expertise in managing my tax affairs. If you think you would benefit from using this tax tip, you must consult with a qualified tax professional to ensure that your unique circumstance and situation would indeed be beneficial if you use this tax tip. All right, y'all. See you soon.